There hasn't been a new asset class since the bond market was created in 1693. Well, now there's a new asset class, and it's called the digital asset space. Question: are you participating? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Crypto Siege with another day in the life, in the crazy life that is the digital asset space. Good morning. Happy Friday to you. Some very, very interesting things coming out of Japan that I wanted to share with you guys. So listen, this is your XRP Ripple daily news in 0 to 10 minutes. Let's do this. Japanese holdings company to use blockchain for Forex trading. Japanese holdings company to use blockchain for Forex trading. Now, I wonder who that might be. Well, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, will you look at there? Will you look at there? Japan-based SBI Holdings. Our champion, the one, the dude, the truth, Mr. Yoshitaka Katao. Well, how about that? Japan-based SBI Holdings announced on April 16th that it will begin to use R3 blockchain consortium technology for Forex trading. They got to settle somewhere with that trading, don't they? Interesting. This will be the first practical application of the quarter blockchain in the country. So those of you who don't know, Mr. Yoshitaka Katao is both the largest stakeholding in R3 and in Ripple, I believe, 20-something, 11% in Ripple, and whatever the percentage is for R3. He's the largest holding shareholder in R3, and I believe in Ripple as well. So this will be the first practical application of the quarter blockchain in the country. According to the announcement published in Nikkei, Japan, the technology will be implemented in conjunction with a Tokyo-based systems management services firm called CAC. The use of Quarter, which will be restricted within the company, will be used to share transaction history among involved traders. It will additionally be implemented between the SBI Securities and SBI's Forex platform liquidity market, or SBI LM. Automatizing Forex's transactions process, according to the company, blockchain technology will allow SBI LM, SBI's Forex platform liquidity market, to automate confirmation processes and foreign exchange transactions instead of using email and telephone confirmations. Guys, this is massive news. Massive news. Taking things to the next level, guys. And you know, it's as many drive time videos that you guys have heard me do and put out there. And I always say that no one has someone like Mr. Yoshitaka Katao on their side, but us in the XRP community. No one else has it. This dude is massive, and he will not let it fail. And he knows he is the biggest fan ever of the greatest digital asset ever created, which is XRP. So regarding the announcement, SBI Holdings issued the following statement. We have reduced the operational risk in the confirmation business and ensured high privacy protection and tamper resistance. Also, the blockchain guarantees the identity of transaction data between the parties and improves the reliability of collation work. Massive news, guys. This is absolutely massive. R3 quarter blockchain. We know that the R3 quarter settler uses XRP. We know that the people from R3 hold a massive amount of XRP. So what do you think they want to do with it? Use it? How about have it go up in value? These are all things that they want to happen. And you throw into the Mr. Yoshitaka Katao, who certainly wants nothing but for XRP to be the dominant digital asset in this space. So really, really exciting. David Rutter, CEO of R3, called SBI one of quarter's biggest champions. Well, how about that? He must have been listening to some of my drive time videos. He also praised the announcement, noting its aim to strengthen the growth of the quarter platform in Asia. Creating blockchain integration awareness in Asia, SBI has been promoting new technologies such as blockchain integrations among other banks in Southeast Asia. What is that, 50-something banks, if not 60-something banks? Is that consortium that Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao put together? Absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. Okay. Both R3 and SBI have claimed that blockchain technology is going to help guarantee the identity of transactions on the SBI LM. On the other hand, CAC assured that it will continue to support the use of blockchain in a wide range of industries. In early 2019, Cointelegraph reported that SBI Holdings announced a joint agreement with US-based R3 to develop local use of its Corda blockchain platform. Guys, Forex market, securities, do you understand the amount of volume? Do you understand the millions, if not trillions of dollars of volume on a daily basis? Takes place in securities and in the Forex market. This is going to be massive. Again, we have to understand the R3 Corda settler uses XRP, right? The blockchain, R3 blockchain, awesome, right? But Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao's, his aim and his goal is without question to make sure that the XRP ecosystem works throughout Asia, is utilized throughout Asia. You got to understand that, guys. This guy is on our side, and no one else has someone like this guy, Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao, who is a beast in what it is that he does. He is a beast. And so this, I think, is absolutely outstanding news. May is just around the corner, and I believe that the whole thing with the regulations, the full clarity on regulations, and the chance to now move forward for Japan, I believe is in May. I believe it is in May that happens. And so expect some exciting things to come out of this. I'm really excited about this news. I don't know if Crypto Eddie covered this yet or not. I don't know, but this is, I believe, to be super bullish, in my opinion. Absolutely super bullish. So guys, listen, I wanted to go to this article here as well. This is not an article. This Grayscale XRP Trust. I'm trying to wrap my brain around what is this all about? What is this all about, this Grayscale XRP Trust, a digital asset for global enterprise payments? It says for investors, for advisors. Got overview, market performance, and resources. In the overview, it says Grayscale XRP Trust shares are the first securities solely invested in and deriving value from the price of XRP. We're talking about Grayscale investments, a massive entity. Grayscale XRP Trust provides a secure structure to gain exposure to the price performance of XRP. The price performance. When I think about that, does XRP has the price volatility that Bitcoin has? I think not. So what is it that they're looking to do? What's the value add in a Grayscale XRP Trust? The only thing that I can think is that they expect the value of this thing to be significantly high. I'm trying to wrap my brain around this whole Grayscale XRP Trust thing. If you guys know, if you happen to be in this space and can understand this and share with the community, I'd love for you guys to leave a comment about this Grayscale XRP Trust, because I'm trying to wrap my brains around it and I'm just not getting it. Like, what is the deal? So you got the overview, title, audible ownership through a traditional, titled, auditable ownership through a traditional investment vehicle. Grayscale XRP Trust is a traditional investment vehicle with shares titled in the investor's name. providing a familiar structure for financial and tax advisors and easy transferability to beneficiaries under estate laws. It's very, very interesting stuff here. I know you guys can't see this, but I just think it's interesting. Eligible for tax advantage accounts. Shares of Grayscale's XRP Trust are eligible to be held in certain IRA and Roth IRAs if you want to do anything with those madness, and other brokerage and investor accounts. So it's got investment objective. Shares based on XRP per share as indicated below. Track the XRP market price less the fees and expenses. Again, this is Grayscale. We're talking large players here. What's the value add? What is it that the Grayscale is seeing that they're going to offer this particular thing as a product in their business model? Got to wrap your brain around that. There's got to be a reason for it. And it can't be because XRP is at 18 or 19 cents. In my opinion, there's got to be something else. What is the value add here? Supported by a network of trusted service providers, Davis Polk and Wardwell LLP serves as legal counsel to the sponsors of Grayscale XRP Trust. Financial statements for Grayscale XRP Trust are audited annually by Freeman LLP. Again, trying to get it. And it says Bloomberg here has it listed as an XRP fund. Got an annual fee, 2.5%. Yeah, XRP per share. Again, I'm trying to figure this out. XRP per share has got 94.921014. Why does Grayscale have an XRP trust, guys? They're not in the business of losing money. This is certainly, they're in the business of listening to the clients and providing what they believe to be a value add to their clients. And we're not talking mom and pop, right? We're not talking about your neighbors, right? We're not talking, right? You're not talking about Uncle Joe and Aunt Mary here, right? So this is high net worth individuals. Grayscale XRP Trust, I think, is very, very interesting. Grayscale XRP Trust enables investors to gain exposure to the price movement of XRP through a traditional investment vehicle without the challenges of buying, storing, and safekeeping XRP. It has to make you think a little bit here. And I'm clicking on the what they call the market performance as of April 16th, 2020. It's got $17.56. So, yeah. Trying to figure this out. Some interesting stuff, guys. So grayscale.co/XRP Trust. Interesting. I think there's something there. I would love to learn more about it. Let's learn more about this together because I'm trying to wrap my brains around it. And I know they have other things, Bitcoin and Litecoin and ETH as well. There's got to be a value add to this and why they're offering it. I've heard about it before. There's got to be a value add into it. Hopefully we can figure that out. Grayscale. So guys, well, listen, Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao is about to make his moves, and it's going to be very loud and clear. I promise you, it's going to be very, very loud and clear. I actually also have something from SBI as well, that Crypto Eddie shared from SBI Holdings about the volume that they're looking to do. I had it translated. I will share this with you guys on the next video. But guys, understand this. Mr. Yoshi Kitao is on our side. He has our back, as I like to say. Never, ever question or doubt what it is that you hold. If you do, get online, get on Crypto Twitter, get on Crypto Eddie's channel, get on BK's channel, get on this channel. Continue to level up your XRP IQ so that you know what you hold. Very, very important, guys. All right, guys, listen, I am going to wrap up this video like I do all my videos and remind you of this. Old money doesn't want you to win. They don't want us to win. They would rather us remain a cog in their perpetual wheel of trading our time for dollars. They don't want us to play in the same playground that they play in, where we allow our money to work for us. This is our chance to win, guys. The digital asset space is our chance to win. We are in the midst of the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of man. Are you participating, or are you standing on the sidelines? Here's what I do know, that the battle for you has already been fought, and the victory is yours. Go get it. I'll talk to you soon, guys. See ya. Bye.